So dear students, as you saw, substitution method we saw how to solve the linear equation in two variables with the help of substitution method. But उस वीडियो में आपने ये नहीं देखा कि I spoke two ways. That means I told that means the system is consistent and inconsistent. So we'll discuss the consistency and inconsistency later on. So today we want to clarify our concept regarding the solution only. So again I want to explain substitution method once again by taking some examples. So keep watching the video so you can solve and you can understand some questions and some concepts once again. I'm taking some questions. Question number 3. We solved two questions in an earlier video. So equation x plus 2y is equals to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. We can keep this is first equation and this is second equation. ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कौन सा इक्वेशन इजी लग रहा है, because mathematics is not ultimately the way of mugging up. It depend on you कि if suppose you are feeling that first equation is easy to me, so it is up to you. If you are feeling that second equation is easy to me, it is up to you. So but some calculation should be in easy way so that it will not be difficult in solution and not in calculation. So I'm observing in first equation the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is 2. So the coefficient of x is 1, so it is easy to help me that the value of x could be taken from first equation in easy way. So I'm taking from equation 1 x plus 2y is equals to minus 1. So we can say x is equals to minus 1 minus 2y. I'm keeping this is third equation. Now put the value of x in equation number 2. Because I took the value from equation number 1. So we cannot keep the value in equation number 1 once again. So it should be remembered by you कि अगर आपने वैल्यू इक्वेशन 1 से लिया है तो उसको 2 में पुट करना है. अगर आपने 2 से इक्वेशन का वैल्यू किसी का वेरिएबल का वैल्यू लिया है तो आपको फर्स्ट में पुट करना है. ओके, सो सी द इक्वेशन नंबर 2 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Equation number 2 is 2x minus 3y equals to 12. 2x, the value of x is minus 1 and minus 2y. Minus 3y is equals to 12. So what will come? Minus 2 minus 2 is for 2, that means 4, and minus 3y is equals to 12. I am observing minus 4y and minus 3y. So what will come? Minus 7y is equals to 12. So I am sending this minus to that side. So what will come? Minus 7y will be same and 12 and this 2 will be plus 2. This minus 2 will be plus 2. And now what we are observing? Minus 7y is equals to 14. Okay, minus 4. So you could say y is equals to minus 14 by 7. 7 minus 7, 7 is 2, 4. So what will come the value of y? The value of y will be minus 2. Now we had equation third. So from equation third, y equals to, it is in the form of x. So x is equals to minus 1 and minus 2y. So x is equals to minus 1 minus, and the value of y is minus 2 already we found earlier. -1 and -1, -2 and -2 multiply, minus this minus and this minus will be plus. So what will come? 2 minus 1, 1. So the solution be used to denote in this way solution, x is equals to 1 and y equals to -2. Hope so understood, my dear students, the solution of linear equations in two variables with the help of substitution method. This is called algebraic method. As I described algebraic method, they are categorized in four ways: substitution method, elimination method, comparison method, and cross multiplication. Out of all those four methods, algebraic methods, I took substitution method. I'll take one more question so that it will clear your doubt and your concept. (3x plus 2y equals to 11) and 2x plus 3y equals to 4. This is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Here I am observing both the equations are in almost in same manner. So we can choose any one of the equation. So I am taking from equation 1. Equation 1, that means 3x plus 2y equals to 11. So now I can keep this 2y here only, 11 minus this 3x. So you could say y equals to 11 minus 3x. So it will be in under 11 minus 3x upon 2. So this is the equation number. We can keep this is equation number 3. So I took the value of y in from equation number 1. So I'll keep this value in equation number 2. It will be equation number 2 is 2x plus 3y equals to 4. This is from equation number 2. Now this is 2x, this 3, the value of y as we found 11 minus 3x upon 2 is equals to this 4. So 2x plus, we multiply this 3 in this quantity. So this is 33 minus 9 upon 2 is equals to 4. We can understand this is 1 under this 2x. So what will LCM of 2 and 1? The LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2 only. So when we'll divide this 2 by 1, so 2 will come. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4x. Plus 2 divided by 2 is 1, so the same quantity will come 3x 33 minus 9 equals to 4. We can say 4 is equals to 4x plus 33 minus 9x is equals to this 4 multiplied by 8. So what will come? 4 multiplied by 8, what will come? 4 multiplied by 2, 8 will come, 4 multiplied by 2, 8 will come. So this 9x and this 4x, the sign of this 9x is negative and the sign of this 4x is positive. Negative 9x and positive 4x. So what will come? Minus 5x is equals to 8 minus this 33 will go this side. So this is minus 5x is equals to 33 minus 8. What will come? 25, but negative 25. Negative sign cancel by negative sign. So x is equals to 25 by 5. 5 is 5. So what will come? 5. So we found the first value of variable. That means value of x only. So now from equation 3 Equation 3 we took, as we took equation 3 in previous page. Equation 3, y is equals to 11 minus 3x upon 2. Y equals to 11 minus 3x upon 2. So 11 minus value of x is 5 upon 2. 11 5 3 is 15. So what will come? Minus 4 upon 2. So y is equals to minus 2. Solution of the equation x is equals to 5 and y equals to 2. This is the solution of the linear equation in two variables. Now we'll take one more question. 7 y plus 3 minus 2 x plus 2 is equals to 14. And next one is y minus 2 and plus 3 x minus 3 is equals to 2. Here we are observing the equation equations are written in somewhat complex way. So we'll simplify first these equations. So from first equation, if we multiply, we'll open this bracket and we'll find 7y 3 is 21 minus 2x and minus 4 is equals to 14. Second equation, 4y minus 8 plus 3x and minus 9 equals to 2. So we can write 7y minus 2x, this 7y and this minus 2x is equals to 14, and this 21 will go this side minus and this 4 will be of plus. In same manner, 4y plus 3x is equals to 2 minus plus 8 and plus 9. Okay. So the equations are written as 21 minus 14 minus 7 and plus 4. So what will come? Minus 3. Or you could say that 14 plus 4 18 minus 21, so minus 3 will come. This 4y plus 3x is equals to 9 and 8 17 and 2